Hello everyone, good morning to all. I'm Mithilesh from first year BTech IT and I'm going to do a role play on the guest and the receptionist. Hello sir, welcome to San Felice. How may I be of assistance? Oh hey, so I would like to book a room over here. So I'm a business traveler and traveling for 2 days. So what kind of rooms do you have? So we have 3 types of rooms. One is the basic, one is the elite, and one is the suite. Which kind of room would you prefer, sir? So what are the prices for the 3 of these? May I know? Sir, so the price of the 3 rooms would be, you would have the basic at 2000 rupees per night, then you would have the elite at 5000 rupees per night, and then the suite at 8000 rupees per night. But you also have extra added benefits that you don't get in the basic. So in the elite, you would be getting complimentary breakfast, you will be getting the swimming pool access, and you will also be getting 1 complimentary meal. Whereas if you shift to the suite, then you would be having swimming pool access. You would also have access to the hotel bar, and then you may also be allowed to get 3 meals complimentary, sir. Oh sure, but the suite is a little costly, so it would be okay if I would go with the elite. And I'll be staying here for 2 days, so the dates are flexible, right? Yes sir, the dates are very flexible. So, could you tell me your name and the rest of the details? I'll just register you over here. So, what would be your name, sir? Yeah, so my name is Jonas Ryfield. The address would be 46 Cornwall Road, Whitefield. So, that would be Mr. Jonas Ryfield. Address 46 Cornwall Road, Whitefield. Sir, so could you give me some ID and details so that I can just verify, take a printout, stick it? Yes man, sure. So let me just search for it. Oh man, I seem to be missing it. Sir, would you take a seat and I'll order coffee for you while you search for it? That will not be a trouble. It can take some time. No. I think I found it. Yeah, there it is. Take it. And just a minute, let me just call my office for verification. Yes, Mr. Jonas Ryfield. Yes, the senior employee. So, could you just check if there is a hotel already booked at San Felice? San Felice, right? Yeah, San Felice for me. Hold on a moment, please don't enter my details. Just a second. Okay, thank you. So, could you check if there is registration under Sun Enterprises for elite room? Sun Enterprises, do you say, sir? So, do you mean Sun Private Limited? Yes, that would be my company. So, for how many nights have they booked the room? So, they have booked a room for 2 days, 2 nights. So, the time you will be getting off would be day after tomorrow morning. So, they have booked a basic room, they have not booked an elite room. So, would you be okay with that? Or you could just pay 2000 extra and upgrade the room? Yeah, I will be paying 2000 extra to upgrade the room. Wait, I'll just take out my wallet. Take my card. Yes, sir, sure, sir. So, would you please enter the details, sir? Yeah, take it. Thank you, sir. I really hope you enjoy your stay over here. I'll just get your keys. Sir, here you go, your keys. Oh, thank you, man. I really appreciate your help.